Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Fried fish with turmeric is one of the most popular southern dishes. This recipe really takes only a few ingredients, very simple, easy to make, and so delicious. Let's see the ingredients that you will need. For Indian mackerel, scales and guts removed. Slit across the body at an angle a few times. 1 head garlic, chopped. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder or fresh turmeric. 3 teaspoons salt. Cooking oil. Let's get started. Add turmeric powder or if you use fish turmeric. Pound turmeric, salt and garlic together or you can roughly grind them in a food processor. Then rub on fish. Add salt. Add ground black pepper. Add chopped garlic. Rub the mixture into the fish. If getting dry, add a little bit of water. Let it marinate for a few minutes while you get the wok ready. On medium-low heat add cooking oil. When oil is hot, gently add the fish. Fry the first side for 5 minutes. Then the other side for 5 minutes. Or until fish is golden brown. Remove the fish on a rake or paper towel. Add the marinade that is left on the plate and fry for 1 minute or until golden brown. Set aside. Remove fish to the plate. Add seasoning on top. Enjoy!